Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you people are doing well. Welcome to OSP System 9th class senior section girls wing. I am Ms. Rabia Khalid and I am going to teach you the English subject in this session. And I hope that you people are taking care of yourselves. As you people know that COVID-19, which is known as coronavirus, is spreading day by day, not only in Pakistan but in all over the world. And as you people know that it is a pandemic disease and there is no proper cure for that, but it's very important to take care of yourselves and you should take some precautionary measures to avoid this disease. What you have to do, you have to wash your hands with the good antibacterial soap whenever you do any kind of activity, before eating or whenever you visit outside. Never forget to wash your hands with a good antibacterial soap. So please take care of yourself, because care is better than getting into the disease. If you take the precautionary measures, that would be more better. So let's move to our topic. It's unit number 9, all is not lost, week 8, day 1. Here are the course contents: reading and explanation pages 94 to 96, comprehension, idioms and phrases, direct and indirect narration, compound prepositions and present perfect continuous tense. So here are the course contents of the unit number 9, and today we are going to study reading and explanation pages 94 to 96 plus comprehension. As you people know that before doing the questions of comprehension, you need to read it deeply by yourself. When you read deeply, then you can easily understand the story. It would be easier for you to easily answer the given questions. So what you have to do, you have to do the reading from page 94 to 96. But for your ease, I have created some points which would be very helpful for you to understand the story. Narrator was a nurse at ICU of neurology ward. Basically, it is the story of a nurse who was narrating about her story, like she was working at ICU of neurology ward. Hira was the young patient who was suffering from severe head and spinal injuries. Basically, the person who was suffering from severe head and spinal injuries was Hira, and Hira was a young patient and she was a hopeless case according to the doctors. The cold behavior of the doctor and other nurses towards Hira, when the narrator was showing some sympathy and she was trying to make some motivation and she was trying to cure the suffering patient whose name was Hira, then the doctors and nurses behaved very cold. Their behavior was very rude, you can say, and cruel as well, because they were not thinking about her. They were showing a cold behavior towards her. They say that she is a hopeless case, so why you're trying for her? Just do your job and move towards other patient, because it is not your duty to be too much personal with the one patient only. An inner voice said, try once for her. When everybody was demotivating her, when everybody was making her you can say disappointed that you can't do it, so just leave her, her inner voice, you can say, the inner voice said to her that you should try once for her. I cannot leave my patient fighting a lost battle by her own. This was said by the narrator nurse who is still hopeful for the patient named Hira. She said that she cannot leave her patient like that, who is fighting a lost battle by her own. Means that she was suffering from so much severe injuries, spinal and brain injuries, so she can't leave her patient like that. She must struggle for her. I did not lose hope. Here she is saying that I will never lose hope and I will try my best to bring her to life. Recovery of the hopeless patient. After some attempts and when she was shifted to another ward, after some time when she visited her, she was surprised to see her hopeless patient, that she was getting a speedy recovery and she was quite well, and that was very happiest moment for her, that her efforts were successful for her. The last is, where there is a will, there is a way. This line is very important, and in this line the whole lesson is based, and the whole lesson is focusing on this very line. Like, if you are having a will, if your willpower is strong, then you can beat anything in your life. and you can get whatever you want. So this is the very motivational story, and I hope that you have understood the points which I have made for you in this presentation. It will help you a lot to understand the story. So here is the assignment, dear students, and I hope that you have understood this beautiful and motivational story, and if still there is any confusion, please let me know. So what you have to do, answer the given questions mentioned on page number 97 and read the glossary and write the meanings of the difficult words from the text. So here is the assignment for you students. Please do your assignments in time, and let me know about your feedback if you feel any problem or anything which you wanted to discuss to me. So take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.